CMF Buds Pro 2 was launched in India alongside the CMF Phone 1 and the CMF Watch Pro 2. CMF Buds Pro 2 comes in blue, dark gray, light gray, and orange color options. Here's what you get out of the box. CMF Buds Pro 2 features the same design as the CMF Buds but offers some notable upgrades on the inside. These TWS earbuds each weigh 4.9 gram, together with the case, they weigh 55.8 gram. Another cool addition is that the dial on the case is now a fully fledged button so you can adjust your volume, accept and hang calls, and toggle ANC on or off. The CMF Buds Pro 2 True Wireless Stereo (TWS) earphones are equipped with a dual driver system with an 11mm bass driver and a 6mm micro planar tweeter. They come with high-res audio wireless certification and offer direct optio-back sound. There are 3 microphones on each earbud with updated voice pickup and wind noise reduction algorithms. They also support up to 50 dB hybrid active noise cancellation (ANC) and are claimed to offer a total battery life of up to 43 hours. Each earbud has a capacity of 45 mAh, while the case comes with a 460 mAh battery. CMF Buds also support fast charging. The CMF Buds Pro 2 is priced in India at 4,299 rupees, or $59. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.